Hi friends, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday. You may be wondering, why am I filming the intro in the bathroom? Well, I'll probably also film the outro in the bathroom. I don't know yet. But the reason why is because I got three little ones. I have my niece, who is not even a year old, out there, and I have my two 2-year-olds, which is my 2-year-old and my nephew that's 2, and they're watching Spookly the Square-Shaped Pumpkin, and I do not want to get copyrighted. So I know you guys are probably wondering, where have you been, girl? I have been so busy with work and other priorities, and I was really sick last week, so I might have to change up my new schedule, and I'll probably give you guys an updated video with my new schedule on there. Hopefully I don't upset anybody, but yes. Anyways, today I am going to be doing a chicken and rice meal, really super cozy. It is fall, so I think of cozy food, and that is just such a comfort cozy food for fall. I did do a rice and chicken video before, but I'm gonna be doing this one a little bit different, and I'll show you. I'll be using some different things just to give you some new options, so if you want to try it out, you can. Alright, you guys, and like always, I'm doing this Tasty Tuesday video in collaboration with my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy, and she's doing something cozy too. So head on over to her channel and check out what she's cooking, and definitely subscribe because we all want more subscribers. You guys are honestly not just friends to me, you guys are also like family. So I really appreciate all of you guys, not just because you watch my videos, but because you guys also comment and like, and I just feel like I feel close to a lot of you guys. So let's just get to cooking. All right, so super simple. All you need, besides the cooked rice, of course, is the canned chicken breast, cut green beans. I'm using cream of chicken this time, and then instead of corn, I'm gonna be using lima beans, only because I do not have a can of corn, and I absolutely love lima beans.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start.
Alright guys, how was that? I hope you guys liked this version of chicken and rice. I hope you guys try it out, and like I said, head on over to Rachel's channel and see what she's cooking, and don't forget to subscribe to her if you have not yet. And if you are coming from Rachel's channel, please subscribe to me. I need more friends. And I do videos quite often. Just this past week has been kind of like a little rocky on that, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more to come, and definitely like, share, and subscribe because like I said, I need more friends. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!
I don't want to be trapped in a box.